Hey guys, so one of the questions that you may have is, will case works on the Razer Kishi versus the backbone? Well, I can tell you that the backbone will not fit with the case on there. And if you've seen my other review, you'll know that it barely fits the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. All right, so backbone is definitely out of the picture when it comes to case. Now, with this one right here, with the Razer Kishi, as you can see, the case will not fit at all. But the way the Razer Kishi is designed, you can take that off. You can take that off. So those are rubber insert that are wedged in between here to make your phone fit more snug. And once I take that out, as you can see, my case right here, this is a MagSafe case, and it's a bit thick. If you have a thinner case, it might work even better. So my case is actually pretty thick. So as you can see right here, it actually works really well. It fits in there really well. But there's a big but here. As you can see, the connection is not there. See that? The battery is not charging. I'm plugging it in. The reason why the battery is not charging is because, well, the contact right here that connects to the lightning port, it's not long enough. So what happens is that it won't go all the way in. So my case, in my use case, it won't work because the case is actually too thick. If you have a thin case, it may work. So just pointing out that as you can see here, this is a pretty standard case that you would get on Amazon. And if I were to plug it in here, that fits well. And if I were to plug this in, it barely comes out of this. With this case from Spigen, it does not work. The case looked thin, but it's actually bigger than my MagSafe case. So I'm going to try this other one, see if it works. So this one feels a bit thinner. I'm going to go ahead and drop it in here. All right, there you have it. It's pretty tight in there, pretty tight. Nope. Yeah, the connection to the port is not long enough. So it does not work. And so there you have it, guys. Both will not work with cases. The Razer Kishi seem to be working, but with a standard case like mine, which I have 3 here, does not work with bigger phones. Now, if you have a thinner case, I would say it may work, but I don't have a thin case here. You know, one of those paper thin case. Yeah, it doesn't work. So, but I believe if you have a paper thin case, it may work in this module right here, because the way it's designed, this entire thing right here, it's very nicely done where you can just fit it right in there. Yeah, if it did work, it would have you would have been able to move the joysticks and you would have seen it on the screen. So yeah, that's unfortunate, but just thought I'd answer that question for you guys. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.